This is my Audiobi review. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make money with Audiobi. One major challenge of this platform is to get accepted. Like by the time you are signing on, I'm going to ensure you, let them know that you can speak English if you are from English speaking countries. By the time you sign on completely, you also choose many other languages that you can speak. Maybe that will give you an edge. You can see on average, transcribers on this platform make $575 in a month. It is not only transcription jobs you can do on this platform. These are other jobs you can do. Segmentation, annotation for beginners. You can make over $7 per audio hour. So by the time you are listening to audio and you are transcribing, it may be more than an hour, but this is a rough idea of how much you can make on this platform. Doing segmentation and annotation. You can also make between $5 to $50 per task. Doing voice recording. Quick and easy jobs. All you need to do is to sign up. This is where you sign up. By the time you are signing up, ensure you select the language you are very good at. Then by the time you enter, you can now add more languages because you'll be tested on this language because it is all about translations. These are other jobs you can do. Segmentation, annotation for beginners. You can make over $7 per audio hour. So by the time you are listening to audio and you are transcribing, it may be more than an hour, but this is a rough idea of how much you can make on this platform. Doing segmentation and annotation. You can also make between $5 to $50 per task. Doing voice recording. Quick and easy jobs. Please do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. Let me show you how to get qualified. You can see you earn money by doing audio transcription on this platform. All you need to do is to click becoming a freelancer. This website accepts people worldwide. Look at the variety of jobs. Work from anywhere in the world. Get paid on time. This platform provides easy and flexible working ways for new generation. That is, you work at your own time and you decide on your job schedule. Jobs ranges from transcription, voice recording, translations, and as I've shown you, look at it. Work from anywhere, anytime. All you need is a computer and a reliable internet connection. Look at it. You get paid on time. You can get paid through Payoneer. If you are from African or Asian country that there is no PayPal, you can use Payoneer. Ensure you use my Payoneer link that is below the description of this video to sign up to Payoneer. If you use that link, Payoneer will give you a gift of $25. You gain experience and you become a good audio transcriptionist. So how it works that you start with a task you are good at doing. Audio transcription. You transcribe speech into text for a wide range of industries. Annotate audio into different segments for machine learning. That is artificial intelligence. You also do voice recording. Recording phrases in various languages to train speech tech. Translate source language into multiple other languages. So this is how it works. You sign up, there'll be an assessment to be sure you are good at your spoken language or languages. So after that, you'll be trained on how to work on the platform. Then you start taking job, then the platform will pay you with either PayPal or Payoneer. Look at this fact. How and when will I be paid? You receive payment through PayPal or Payoneer. So you get paid every week. As long as you've done the work and you've earned the money, you are sure of getting paid. So all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up and start working. You see, I'm an affiliate marketer. Doing transcription jobs on Audiobi will make you money, but you have to do the job. Affiliate marketing is not like that. An article you've written or a video of affiliate marketing you do will continue to make you money for a long time. So consider subscribing to my #1 affiliate marketing training center. Just go to askjofa.com. You can also take advantage of my email affiliate marketing training. That will give you a rough overview of how affiliate marketing works. You can also take advantage of the new Ask JOFA forum. Ensure you go and claim your space. You can use it to promote your local, offline and online businesses. Please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to push it to everybody around the world. Thank you so much for doing that.